There's a lot of opportunity if you really sit down and start thinking about where you're wasting electricity, and there's a lot of simple fixes to save energy, and the payback is usually fairly short. We have a lot of PLC control in this plant. We can program for different times and to automatically run things, turning off, turning on, so it automatically, so we can save energy in that way. And we've done a lot where we automatically on certain times of days on timers that actually shut off lights, where people aren't forgetting to shut off lights and they stay on over weekends and that type of thing. We've done a lot with our refrigeration for energy savings where things don't need to be running at certain times. We did a hydraulic project where hydraulic pumps were running at different times that they didn't need to be, where they automatically shut off at night and on weekends and that type of thing also.
We have also implemented and installed a very technically advanced computerized energy management system. We've been told that this is only one of very few installations that have been installed in the energy sector. Through this center, we are able to control, monitor, and regulate all of our air makeup units and HVAC systems, not only in the shop, but also in the office areas.
Our paint line process has been a great opportunity to address energy savings in two folds. We have a washing system that we were able to reduce the water temperature of the washers, that consequently saves energy in our lower temp bath, and also in the cure and dry off ovens on the roof, being able to lower the air temperature in those ovens has also saved some energy in both gas and electrical. We have some presses that are 20, 25 years old, and we're taking a closer look at the energy consumed there against the newer technology, the newer motors, and we're finding that there is very likely opportunity to save significant money with the replacement of these presses.
Now, one of the projects that we're most proud of is our internal weld systems that we've established, and what we've done with those is we've put sensors on each of our weld bays, so when they are there, the exhaust fan is engaged. When the welder is not engaged in welding, that exhaust fan turns itself off, and what we've been able to measure directly is a 90% savings in each one of those weld bays as far as energy costs. So it's been a tremendous impact value with paybacks as short as 1 month in most of those weld bays.
The Viscera table is it's a big metal table where product runs on, and it needs to be constantly washed off. So anytime that table stops in the past, the sprays just kept on spraying. So we automatically tied that in. When that table stops, it automatically shuts the sprays off. So it ended up being a huge savings on water consumption, and it's hot water, which need to be heated. The payback ended up being a real short 3-month time, so it turned out to be a really good project.
Our hydraulic pumps, when you're running main production, you need to have the speed, you need to have the pumps. But on a cleanup mode and on a night shift where it's not, you don't have to run them so fast, we shut motors off automatically. The pumps, the hydraulic pumps, we shut them off automatically, which is 3 60-horse motors that we turn off every night, and we absolutely do not let them on for any reason until the next morning.
In our upholstery assembly operations, we have a glue booth that had been running 100% of the time with lights and air ventilation. And through the efforts of this team, they have resized the booth and re-engineered the lighting and the ventilation such that it only is operating when the operator has the glue gun in their hand and is applying glue to the product. An automatic turn on, turn off device that is consequently saving significant energy.